Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this video, we will guide you through FedEx stuck on label created. Fix. FedEx label created meaning. What does FedEx label created mean? When FedEx tracking shows label created, it means that a shipping label has been created and registered into their system. This indicates that the package has been prepared for shipping and the label has been generated, but FedEx has not yet acknowledged that they have received the package. Why is FedEx stuck in label created? FedEx may be stuck in label created for several reasons. The shipper has not yet given the package to FedEx. This means that the package has been prepared for shipping, but the sender has not yet handed it over to FedEx for transportation. FedEx has not yet scanned the package into their system. This could be due to the package not being picked up by FedEx, or not being scanned when it was picked up. The initial scan into their system was missed. This could happen if the package was scanned multiple times during the shipping process, but the initial scan was missed. In most cases, FedEx is claiming they didn't receive it, and this is usually the case. What to do if FedEx stuck on label created? If FedEx tracking remains stuck on label created for an extended period, it is recommended to contact the person or company responsible for shipping out the item to you. This will help resolve any issues and ensure that the package is on its way to you. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more videos.